Now you will hear a short conversation about taking care of plants. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Dad, can I help water the plants today? Of course, Lily. It's a great way to learn about taking care of them. Yay, so I just pour water on them, right? Not exactly. We need to be careful. First, look at the soil. Is it dry? Yes, it looks a little dry. Good. Now, don't pour too much water, just a little at a time. The water should go into the soil, not overflow. Like this? That's good, but slow down a bit. We don't want to drown the plant. Imagine it's drinking slowly. Oh, okay, so not too fast. Exactly. And check the pot. Some pots have holes at the bottom for extra water to drain out. That's important so the roots don't get too wet. I see a little water coming out now. Perfect. That means the plant has enough. We don't water them every day, only when the soil is dry. Got it. Thanks, Dad. You're welcome, sweetie. You're becoming a great plant helper.
What is the conversation mainly about? What does the father tell Lily to check first before pouring water? Now you will hear a short conversation about classroom rules. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Welcome, everyone. I'm your English teacher. Let's talk about some class rules first. They help us learn better.
Okay, teacher.
First, please listen when I or your classmates speak. It's important to understand everyone.
Yes, listen carefully.
Good. Second, if you want to speak, please raise your hand. Don't just shout out.
Raise hand to speak. Got it.
Also, try to be on time for class every day. Being late can make you miss important information.
On time. Understood.
And one last thing. Please turn off your mobile phones during class. Phones can be very distracting.
No phones in class. Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. These rules will help us have a good class together.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why does the teacher say students should be on time for class? Now you will hear a short lecture about penguins, too. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends. Hello, class. Today, we're going to learn about how penguins find their food in the big ocean. Penguins are amazing birds, even though they can't fly. They are excellent swimmers and hunters. To find food, penguins dive into the water. They don't just swim on the surface. Some penguins can dive very, very deep. They use their strong flippers like wings to push through the water quickly. Their bodies are built for swimming fast. What do they eat? Penguins mostly eat small fish and tiny ocean creatures called krill. These foods are found deep in the ocean. How do they see in the dark water? Penguins have very good eyesight. This helps them spot their food, even when it's not very bright. Also, sometimes penguins hunt together in groups. This makes it easier to catch fish. So, good eyesight, strong flippers, and deep dives help penguins get their meals. What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, what helps penguins see their food in the ocean? Now you will hear a short lecture about geysers. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about something really interesting called a geyser. What is a geyser? Well, it's like a natural hot water fountain that shoots steam and hot water high into the air from the ground. It's a very special kind of hot spring. This happens because there is very hot water deep underground. Rainwater seeps into the ground and gets heated by hot rocks. When the water gets hot enough, it builds up pressure, and then it turns into steam very quickly. That steam needs to escape, so it bursts out. This makes the water shoot up high. Geysers are not found everywhere. They need a very specific set of conditions: lots of underground heat, water, and special rock cracks for the water to flow. You can find many famous geysers in places like Yellowstone National Park in the United States or in Iceland and New Zealand. They are quite rare and beautiful to see. It's amazing how nature creates such powerful natural shows, sometimes erupting every few minutes or every few hours.
What is the talk mainly about? Why does water shoot high into the air from a geyser?